and welcome back to my channel. Today we are working on an emergency repair. The alternator on this 2007 Honda CRV failed and the engine light came on the dashboard and the battery light came on. So we need to take action because tomorrow is working day. I need the car to go to work. I ordered the part in a nearby store because, as I mentioned, this is an emergency. There is no time to wait and go to a dealership and wait till they get a backup part. So we got what we got. We have to work on this and remove it as soon as possible. At the end of the video, I will tell you why I'm not happy with the choice that I made. But if you are interested, please follow till the end. Thank you. And everybody knows that Virginia weather is mostly unpredicted. We are getting some rain today. Wasn't expected, but we are trying to work fast and to not get wet from the rain. We disconnected the battery and we're gonna try to remove the alternator from the top, but need some help from the side, so we took out the tire. We're gonna take the screen protective from underneath the car and remove the alternator as easy as possible that we can do. This is a 2007. It's not bad for a car. It's been more reliable than everything that I know in the past. I own this car for more than 8 years. Not major issue at all. But when it happens, it happens. So we need to rush today to go back on road tomorrow.
سريع. Make beans. Bobby. Ahmet. Ha? Se se passa mandrot të cënosin kjo. Atë në cënosin e pasa kesh me ndron.
Të tëra është vendi i vogël.
Në të të hinë poshtë. Të hinë të shof që të cashtohin. Nisaj. Kadi ka nisaj. Vetëm një. Një kështu. Pa nisaj është.
نبشي
التليفون هذا سكاشي.
هي بطانية.
Everything I fix for it. Strasznie moje here. Nasze tam wietrze. Tam wietrze. Bateria zero. Pokój na kawę.
Jedziecie, brother. Pop, 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 pop. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, we got a lesson learned after we did this major repair. Happened that the alternator was producing more voltage that was supposed to do, so we are still getting the light. We are measuring the battery, we are measuring the outcome, and looked like we have to remove again and go back to the store and replace it. After we did this, we went to the store and they checked it, and yes, they confirmed the alternator was bad. So lesson learned, every time that you pick up from the store something that is an aftermarket part, try to test it before you leave the store, because if you do it yourself, okay, you're wasting time, but if you are paying somebody else to do the job for you, you are wasting time and money. and it's very important. Things are costly nowadays. Lesson learned, so next time we'll be careful. Thank you and have a good day.